Right, hello YouTube. This is going to be the first part of a great series, Computer Basics. This is a computer. The first thing that you need to know is how to take out RAM and change it. This is like the most basic thing. First things first, you locate the RAM. Located. You remove the RAM by unclipping these little white clips on the other side of it. And then you take your old shitty RAM and you toss it to the side. Now, as I'm sure most of you would know, the more RAM you have, the better. These are the RAM, this is the RAM I had before. I'm going to show you what some worse RAM is. This is a smaller RAM. So clearly it's not as good as the two big ones. This is a small RAM. Now this is a big RAM. This is the best RAM you could have because it's bigger. Bigger than the little RAMs. Right, so this is, we're going to put this one in now. Because it's bigger, you're going to have trouble fitting it into the clips. But if you, right, you don't really need a fan. And to be honest, a lot of these components on the motherboard you don't really need. To be honest, you could do with cutting these wires. I mean, as long as you've got one to get the power to go to it, it's fine. You don't really need most of them. So that gets all the shit out of your way. Also, a processor is bullshit. You don't need that. Don't worry about what that says. Right, so you get your RAM and you jam it in there. You could also just chuck the RAM in some other RAMs in there as well. It doesn't really matter where they go because the computer's still going to know, oh look, there's RAM in there. See, I'll even put the little one in just because, you know. This, a lot of people think this is a RAM. This is not a RAM. These are RAMs. This is a big RAM and this is a little RAM. See, this is like your budget RAM, but you could get these just to boost it anyway. Because now when you've got all that in there, make it right. The fan. See, you do actually need a fan, just not when the computer's off, obviously. So you plug this in. Let me just have a look. Right. Yeah, I'd say you can plug that in this bit here. There we go. See, that's plugged in. This makes the fan like come up to the thing, and then you put your case back on. And then if we stand that up, we can have a look and see how it works. I'm gonna go plug this in now, and we're gonna boot up my computer. So I've got everything set up and ready to go. Oh, there we go. See, wonderful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching how to put RAM in your computer. And shit. Hope you tune in next time for the next part of the video, where I tell you why you don't need a processor at all.